Gastroback was founded in 1989. We're a modern German premium brand in the field of small domestic appliances. We are providing products for the end users' kitchens, which were otherwise only available for the professionals. To be honest, the UK launch has gone better than originally expected, and that was paradoxically due to the lockdown. Gastroback has its UK office in Northumberland, just outside Morpeth. Following some research, I came to Moody, Logistics and MCR, and actually also some of their partners. Moody can arrange drop shipments to end users as well as pallet shipments to large retail customers. They have the technical expertise and they're helping us with plug conversions and other repairs. And they also have experience with German brands already. They ticked already a lot of boxes that were in line with our requirements.
The advantage this service can offer is we create a one-stop shop for Gastroback. So we know their products and their customer needs very well, and it means we can help them grow their business quickly in this new market for them. This business is really important to Moody's because whilst this customer is small at the start, as they grow, we can grow and we can help them to do that as they enter this new market.
We at MCR Services are supporting Moody's in their work for Gastroback. We help, when required, unload their stock of containers and also directly rework their products so we can change their Euro plugs into UK plugs and pat test them and test that they're working before they go to customer.
Gastroback want to expand further with our products in the UK. We are already in the process of stocking up their warehouse with more products over the coming weeks and months. It has to be a smooth process in the shipping world.